Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface Laptop Studio 2. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Surface Laptop Studio 2 can't even get through a meeting, you're likely experiencing battery issues. This can be due to a worn-out battery that no longer holds a charge effectively. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further complications, making your device unusable for important tasks. To tackle this issue, you'll need a few essential tools: a Torx screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement battery specifically for the Surface Laptop Studio 2. Now, let's begin the repair. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Start by carefully inserting the plastic opening tool along the edge of the laptop to gently pry it open. Take your time to avoid damaging the casing. Once you have the casing removed, locate the battery, which is generally situated near the center of the device. You'll notice several screws securing it in place. These are typically Torx screws. Use your Torx screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. As you do this, remember to keep them in a safe place for reassembly. After you've removed the screws, gently disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. It may require a bit of wiggling, so be patient and avoid using excessive force. Once the battery is free, take your new battery and connect it to the motherboard first before securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure it's seated properly to ensure a good connection. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After the battery is installed and connected, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Align the casing and press it firmly together, ensuring no gaps remain. Finally, power on your device to check that everything is functioning correctly. If your laptop powers up and holds a charge, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery. To prevent this issue from arising again, consider monitoring your laptop's battery health regularly and avoid letting it fully drain on a frequent basis. Keeping your device updated can also help optimize battery performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.